So we've just entered Badshahi Masjid. It is absolutely beautiful, right babes?
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
MashaAllah. You're not allowed shoes here, so if it rains, your feet are just going to have to get wet, and that's just the way it is.
And it's really quite refreshing.
Yeah.
I love being barefoot.
Yeah, we didn't know where to leave our shoes. We were a little bit nervous because my mom's voice came into my head. She was like, don't leave your shoes. So anyway, spoke to security. We just left the shoes there, and then they said, oh, whatever you can give, just give. Absolutely stunning. Alright, just gonna take some photos. Mosque is absolutely beautiful. Usually there's a fountain here which is running. For some reason now it's turned off, but as usual in Pakistan there is barbed wire over everything. If you're not meant to go into it, apart from museums, right, where they let you touch the artifacts, if you're not meant to go, there will be barbed wire. I snagged my bag on this stuff earlier and it isn't pleasant, obviously. Absolutely beautiful, and Natalie is still just taking photos. My God, look at this woman. What is she doing? Trying to get reflections that we got on Fair Meadows. Maybe she is able to get it. I've no idea. But people looking at her, well, people always look at her, but look at that. It's beautiful, right? This is Badshahi Mosque, Lahore.
Photos of the reflections in the water.
It's really cool.
That other people won't get because they don't go out when it's raining.
We ventured in the rain, we braved in the rain, we ended up not where we were meant to be, but that's what life is about, right?
And we spun it into a positive.
Absolutely. I firmly believe you're always where you are meant to be in life at whatever stage you are. Maybe not as granular as this. It's been a good couple of hours. Yeah, it has a couple of hours since the car stopped. Okay. Built nearly 1,000 years ago. Wow, 1084. Insane. Okay, and that's the end of Badshahi Mosque visit for us. When you come here, just give the guys a little tip. Leave your shoes with the security guys that look after it. And when you come back, just give them 50 or 100 rupees. Upon leaving Badshahi Mosque, you turn right. There is the tomb of Allama Iqbal. The airport is also called Allama Iqbal. And he's one of the greatest poets, philosophers of all time. We're getting that VIP treatment. See, wherever you go, speak to a guy with a gun. That's my trick. Can't film inside, so I'm not going to. We're going into Allama Iqbal tomb. So if you can read Urdu, this is what it says. I can't. I have no idea. I know you're thinking, we thought we left too. Oh, apparently you're allowed drones in Badshahi Masjid. That's very peculiar. Natalie's taking more photos. There's drones everywhere. I can hear at least two. So this is the view from the Haveli restaurant. Wow, the Badshahi Mosque looks absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, we've got a seat sort of inwards, but it's still pretty cool. There's the view, it's beautiful. Badshahi Mosque is right behind us, a really cool view. Obviously you're not getting it from here, but it is absolutely outstanding. When you just look at it. Why am I talking to you? I'm going to look at it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. You will see all the pics on Instagram and TikTok as usual, so check those out. Alright, we're going to enjoy our evening. Ciao! Wait, toodles!
Toodles.
Well, we've caused white confusion. We ordered big bottle of water, they brought out a small bottle of water, and it literally is 4 or 5 of them standing right next to me trying to figure out who this small bottle of water belongs to. Why does it take so many people? It's mad.
I winked at the end.
Did you?